My name is Drew Martin, and I'm an architect and the Director of Design Visualization at Strang. Design visualization is the way in which we communicate our design intent, and that is the creative part of our work rather than the technical part of our work. We have a ton of tools available to us today. It's like the most exciting time to be an architect and work in design visualization. We use virtual reality. We have renderings that we use on screen, real-time walkthrough that we can make a change and see that change within seconds on the screen. And it really brings us back to the roots of architecture, where architects were originally craftsmen who worked in the field and made decisions in real time as they built the buildings. And most of what we do currently as architects is really abstracted away from what buildings actually are. But by using these visualization technologies, we're able to get back into the building in a risk-free scenario and really understand the decisions that we're making. There are so many benefits of using design visualization in our design process. It really is a way of getting real-time feedback on the work that we're doing and understanding what it will look like in the field before we ever commit to building that physically. We get to make more informed decisions. We get to communicate with our clients and our contractors and help them understand the decisions that we're making. And we just get to flex our creative muscle more than ever before. I got my start with design visualization in college, as many architects my age did. All of these new technologies were really just being developed, and it was a really exciting opportunity to be able to express myself creatively in a way that I never had been able to do before. It also tied in with gaming. I'm really interested in video games and the way that they create virtual worlds that people can occupy and interact with. But it's a lot more exciting to create actual physical worlds that people occupy and interact with. But the technologies for visualization are shared between gaming and architecture these days. Clients who dream big really inspire me and inspire me to do my best work when they're willing to dream big and work with us as we share that dream. We really get to create something unique that the world's never seen before, and that's the most exciting thing that we do. It's hard for me to answer the question of what made me want to become an architect, because I've always wanted to be an architect as long as I can remember. But I think even when I was really young, I was really fascinated that someone created these really interesting buildings, and how did they do that, and how can I do that? And I always played with Legos. That's kind of a part of it for so many architects, but really just going through incredible buildings and just being fascinated with the whole process.